Welcome to the Focus Installation Guide video. The Focus comes in two wattages, a 10 watt and a 20 watt. Connect the screw components and drill 4 holes into the ground. Secure the 4 screws into the holes and attach the mounting stand. If you want to install the Focus on grass or soil, you will need the spike accessory. The Focus packaging does not include the spike. Please place orders separately. To install on grass or soil, attach the spike to the mounting stand and secure with 4 screws, then press it into the ground. The Focus packaging does not include the spike. Please place orders separately. Secure the solar panel and the light to the mounting stand with 4 screws, then adjust the panel angle. Please access panel angle chart in the installation manual or on our website at www.soltechlighting.com. After you adjust the panel, secure with a screw on each side. The mounting stand is also adjustable. You can adjust the height from 16 to 21 inches. Once at the desired height, secure with screws on each side. To turn on the light, press the on-off button on the fixture. There is also a charge indicator on the fixture. Press the small button on the charge indicator to show the charge percentage of the fixture. Lastly, adjust the light head angle.